Didik TV KPM.
You are now watching Level 2 on Didik TV KPM. Our subject for today is Mathematics DLP Year 6. Okay, teacher, I've already prepared my calculator. What are we going to do now?
Yes, Sean. So far, so good. Okay. So can you help me to fill the blanks here to find the cost price, selling price, or either profit or loss?
Okay, sure, can. So the first one here we have is jewelry. That's the cost price and profit. So I have to fill in the selling price. So cost price minus with profit, I get the selling price of 10, sorry, not minus, plus, sorry. Cost price plus profit, I get 10,847 ringgit. So here, 10,847.
Yes, it's correct because why? The selling price is higher than the cost price.
Alright, so the next one I have to find the cost price of the motorcycle and given the selling price and also the profit. For this, I will have to find the cost price. So cost price is equivalent to selling price minus profit. Let me just get that there.
That's the correct formula.
And the price is 12,800. So let me write this here.
Yes, you're right because the cost price is lesser than the selling price. Okay, then only you can obtain a profit.
Okay, so the next one here, a house. Cost price is given and then a loss. I have to find the selling price. Because it's a loss, so that means it's sold lower than the cost price. So that would mean cost price minus loss. Let me calculate this. And the price or the answer is 601,200. 601 and
with more confidence. You're right.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, looks like we already have the answers here. So this was used for this. This was used for this. And we have this one. We'll just cross this out. Oh, and we have one more. But never mind. Let me just double check. This is a fridge. So we're given the cost price, we're given a loss, like teacher Kalai has mentioned. If it has a loss, means the selling price, it's sold below the cost price. So that would mean
than the cost price.
7,935 minus 1,790. I get the same over here. So 6,100.
Wow, our shot is simply superb. Okay.
Thank you so much, teacher.
Yes. Okay. So finally, you got that understand about cost price, selling price, profit, and loss. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you for your understanding.
And how many stars do I get for completing
Another
this?
10 stars for Sean.
10 stars for me and for you as well. All right. Shall we continue?
Yes, Sean.
Okay. I'll just head on over there.
Okay. So for further activities, after you learn all the terms, we are going to apply it in our daily life, right? Okay.
Yes.
So look at some example here. Okay, Mr. Alex bought a car. He paid an advance payment of 40%. Okay, for that car, and the remaining he got a bank loan. Okay, this is what usually people do to get a car, right? Okay, kids, you must know this. The bank charges an interest rate of 3.2%. Okay, there is an interest charge because why? The bank give you the balance cash. Okay, and then the charges are for 5 years. Okay. Now you see the price for the car is 65,000. So the question sounds: calculate Mr. Alex's monthly installment. We must know that if you own a car, using the bank loan, you have to pay it monthly, right? So how to calculate this? Okay. So you have to understand the keywords there. Okay. He already paid 40% for the down payment, and then the balance, he took a bank loan with the interest of 3.2%. So first thing, you have to minus that 40%, right? Okay. Okay, so what we do, step 1, we find the 40% out of the 65, the total price of the car. So it is about 26,000. So you minus, you get the balance. Okay, that is the 39,000. So that 39,000, remember, Mr. Alex took a bank loan, right? Okay, for step 2, we times with the 3.2%, okay, that given by the bank. Okay, it's about 1,242. And then we times it with 5 because why? It's going to pay for 5 years. So it is about 6,240. Okay, step 3, we proceed with, we plus with the balance cash, that is 39,000. We plus with the interest, that is 3.2. Okay. Yes. So it's about 45,240. And then we divide it by 60. Why? 5 years, they are 12 months. Yes. Okay. You times with 5, they are 60 months. Okay. So once you divide the total, so you will get 754. That is the monthly installment that Mr. Alex going to pay.
Okay, I understand
Okay, you
now.
understand? Okay.
Yes.
Next, we move on to another question. Okay, another what integrated in our daily life. Okay, kids. Okay, it's a receipt here. Okay, we have quantity. We have DG perfume. Price per unit is 80, and we have Lee Sarah perfume. 45 quantity, price per unit is 30, and we have another Daisy perfume, three types of perfume here. Okay, this is under 20, whereby one is cost about 50 ringgit. Okay, here we have to find the total amount to be paid, but we notice here they give you 30% discount. At the same time, you have to pay 6% of sales tax. Okay, remember what we learned about discount and sales tax, kids? How to find it? Okay, so this is how you gonna pay your bills in your daily life. Okay, so first thing we have to find the total for each of that. 60 times 80, 45 times 30, 120 times 50. You get the total. It's about 12,150. Okay, so from the total, you are entitled for 30% discount. So what we must do here, discount sounds what? You deduct. Okay, so first thing you find that 30%. Okay, so to find the 30%, 30 over 100 we times by the total 12,150, you will get 3,645.
Yes.
So that 30% you have to minus again from the total, or you can calculate in vice versa. You take for the 70%, straight away you will get that 8,505.
Yes.
Okay, so once you get the total. Okay, so for after the discount 30%, the new total is 8,505. And here we have another step. Okay, the person charge you 6% of sales tax. When it comes to sales tax, are you going to add or are you going to deduct? For discount, we deduct. For sales tax, we have to add on, kids. Okay, so first thing you have to find how much is the 6%. So for that, 6 over 100 we times by 8,505 because the new total. So you will get 510 ringgit and 30 cent.
Yes.
Okay, so that 530 cent, remember we have to add on with our total because it is the tax charged to us. So once you add, you will get 9,015 ringgit and 30 cent. Okay, but we see here, okay, after the sales tax, the total amount to be paid is 9,015 ringgit and 30 cent. Initially, it was 12,000 plus. We deduct the 30% and then we add with the 6%. Okay, hope you got it. Okay, next, time again to test our Sean. Okay, Sean, are you ready?
Yes, I am. I also prepared
it's
a
going
whiteboard.
to be challenging for you. Okay. Can you try this?
Okay, so Emelina bought a tablet and a watch. For the purchase of the watch, she received a 15% discount. I have to calculate the total purchase. So step 1, I have to find the price of the watch after a 15% discount. So price of the watch right now is RM600. So I'm going to minus off 15%, right? So this 15%, after I calculate it, 15% of 600, this is actually, wait, 600, 15% is, 90 ringgit. So I'm going to minus off 90 ringgit. And that would mean the price of the watch alone is 510 ringgit. Now for question A, calculate Emelina's total purchase. That means that watch, 510 ringgit, plus the tablet, 900 ringgit, I would get, so RM 510, oops, RM, my mistake teacher, 510 plus with RM 900 ringgit.
The price of a tablet.
Yes, that's right. I would get RM 1,401 ringgit. Let me just double check. Yep, that's
So
for
that's the
question
price
A.
that Amelina total purchase, right?
Yes, correct. So this
Yeah,
is
you are
for
right.
question A. Now for question B, she used 2 vouchers worth 50 ringgit each. Calculate the total payment for using the vouchers. So for each product, there are 2 products. 50 ringgit voucher, which means that I get a discount of 100 ringgit because 50 times 2, right? So that would mean from here, 1,410 ringgit. Let me just minus off really quickly. RM 100 ringgit.
It's a straight deduction.
Correct, which means I get it for only 1,000. Oh, let me just make a here 1,310 ringgit. Is that correct, teacher?
You finally got the right answer.
Ah,
Okay.
yay! How many stars will I get for this?
Sean deserves for another 50 stars right now.
50
Okay, because
stars! Wow! Thank you so much, teacher. And hopefully those of you who I hope also understand and also got the same answers as me. Right now, I'm going to take a short break. Back to you after this on Level 2 on Didik TV KPM.